Here it is, guys. This is a comparison between the Ninebot F40 and the Xiaomi Pro 2 e-scooter, and also the Ninebot ES2 and the old M365 by the back. Right now, Ninebot F20, it's not F40, it's Ninebot F20A is the king of e-scooters in the market, followed by the Xiaomi e-scooters. But this model right now is probably the best deal and the best specs right now in terms of range and riding stability. Plus, they upgraded the tires to 10-inch as well. So unlike the ones on the Xiaomi e-scooters, these are more puncture resistant and they're more skid resistant. So whenever you ride on a paddle, these won't make you slip whenever you go on any wet surfaces, but I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah,